Guys, so in this tutorial we will be doing Figma components. So I'm just going to go make a text box and I'll add button to it. And now I'm going to hit Shift A to add an auto layout to this. So now I'll add a fill to the frame, maybe like a blue color. Okay. And I will curve the corners. And I will just select this text and I will change it to fill container so that when I change the width of this frame, it will automatically change the width of the text box as well. Okay, so we're gonna adjust this. Okay, so now this button, uh, the main use of components in Figma is so that you can make reusable elements so that you don't have to keep making the same button again and again whenever every time you need to use it in a web page. So I'm going to click on this frame and I'm going to hit this diamond icon here to create a component. Now this is your component. If you want to add it to a web page, I will just create a frame that will symbolize the web page. Now I want to add this button to this web page, so I will just hold down Alt. I will get this double arrow mouse, and then I will click and drag. So now this creates an instance of the button and adds it to this frame. So now if I want to add more instances of this button, I'll just increase the size of it first. I can just duplicate this, add it here, increase this, duplicate this again, add it here, duplicate it again. You can like duplicate it as many times as you want. Okay, so imagine that all these buttons are on different pages of the website. So now if I want to change the state of this button, I want to change its color, for example, when I hover over it. So how do I do that? I will do that by creating a variant of this component. So to create a variant, you click on the component and you click on this icon that says add variant. It's a diamond with a plus sign in it, and it will create a variant of that component. So now I will just change this. I will change the name of this to hover, because when I hover over the button it will change to the state, and then I will change the color of it. You can see on many websites that when you hover over something it highlights or it becomes darker, so I will do that here. Okay, so now I will click on this master, because this first a default component, when I hover over it, it should change to the second one. So I will go to prototype, go to interactions, and then while hovering, I will change to hover. Okay. So now to test this, I will simply click on this frame and hit the play button. Now when you hover over these buttons, you can see that it changes the color every time. You can do this for many different actions. You can do it when you're clicking on the button, on click, on drag, key, enter, mouse leave, mouse down. So based on the action that you want, you can change that. You can also add more variants to this. So I will go to design,